Hello YouTube family, welcome back. So today guys, we're going to have our mission for school year 2021-2022 for the kids. So we'll be going to give phones and notebooks, school supplies to the kids for this school year. So sleepers will follow after that. So let's go and join me. Check this out. Alright guys, here we go. We do have 200 notebooks for the kids. We have 20 pads of papers. We have 200 ball pens and 200 pencils and 300 ball pens. Here. And we get notebooks, and of course I'm going to donate also my sleepers, the sleepers for the kids. So this one is from my business. So this one I'm going to donate together with school supplies. I'm going to pack this. I don't know how to distribute it since it's not allowed to have some get together right now, especially with the fever going on in my municipality. I have to. Guys, it's so loud in here, so we're on the way to buy the phones for the kids. So I'm going to distribute the phone with the school supplies tomorrow. So I might check another phone. It will be 3 phones that I'm going to buy today. So shout out to you, Temi. Thank you so much for your donations for the kids online class. I just brought my purple to the vid today, so check it out. Alright guys, so today we're going to pack all these notebooks, and we have to give it to the kids. So I have already distributed some of it. I'm just going to continue packing it. So we're going to pack the notebooks with the pencils and the ball pen, and then some of the kids will have a calculator, and the lucky kids, it's not lucky, the selected kids that really needs the phone will be giving their phone for their online class. So I would like to say shout out to Tim. Thank you so much for helping me out to reach kids with the phones, and also from one of my subscribers from Norway for helping the kids with the notebooks. So rest assured guys that all the money that you sent me for this cause is being put in here in this project. Assistant.
I'm watching Korea or something soldier. Their father is a soldier.
You have to put that in the chair. Guys, look at that. I had to repack all the things, and we have given at least 15 packs already. So I'm going to be distributing it today until tomorrow. So they will be distributed in different places with the kids that really need it. So we have to fix it. I need to throw all these wrappings away. So, Charmaine! Join me guys. Ang sa-salty mo. Thank you! Tada! Trisha! Ali, Trisha! Usa. Trisha. Ini Kak Ati Lovely.
Ani.
Kanang. Kani.
Nama.
Kiri. Kana say. Oh!
Ulang ko.
Ba? Kuha. Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
Pag una butang naman na tiyan karon di naman ko na. Kaya yung mga hugad ko dito.
Madiretso raang. Diri.
Ito ka do.
Kaya juju. Katiri ba ka to juju?
Doy, kuan man to.
Duha?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hatag na. Guys, so this is the other batch of the school supplies that we are going to give to my to my kids, to the kids. So let's go. J, Chai, J, Reji, ali diri ba? Inyong hani ha? Oh. Open. Hala. Para unsa man na be? Para unsa? Para unsa na? Unsa na? Oh! Unsa isolte? Para unsa man na? Para sa? Para sa? Oh. Na. Nano may pangmujol? Hmm? Nano may pangmujol? Wow. Naa. Thank you, team. Ingna, thank you, team. She have been wanting the cell phone for a long time, guys, because every time she does the module, she always goes to my house to use my laptop. Now she got her own phone for her and her siblings. So let's go. Okay. Ali dong, Roji. Roji. Nico. Nico.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Chai chai. Riji. Ruji. Ruji. Masa salte? Masa salte?
Salamat.
You're welcome. Imuha. This is for Marian. And this is for Lalaine. Wait, hindi mo.
Erika.
Hi, Joy.
Hello.
For you.
Thank you.
Jen. Dara, Jen. For you.
Thank you, te.
For you both.
Okay, daw ko kalkyo.
Para ni Kylie.
Natulog.
Para ni Kylie. Kay naana si Nico, ako nang gitagaan. Right guys, we're heading to the mountain to give the school supplies to the kids. We're going to give the school supplies to the kids up in the mountain. This is the third batch. Third batch. Woohoo! And also the phone. So let's go. Ako mga ulit wala pa man naabot. Sige lang. Hi! Unsa kang graduha be? Grade 3.
Manuri dito siya ang kuan ay.
Awan.
Yes, sis. Okay,
Graduha
sir.
be. Ya katuwa sa. You're welcome. Pila kini? Unsa kang graduha? Unsa kang graduha be? Grade 6 na ka?
Grade 6 na mo read je. O sa man siya kuan na siya kanang singa ning mo gyud.
Katong kuan, you're welcome. Katong taon ni mo.
10 og kuan. 8.
10 og 8. Unsa na siyang graduha?
Grade 10 og grade 8.
Grade 10 o grade 8. Ah, intermediate na sila. Composition books na nila ha. Composition. Oh. Para ni Busa ato?
RJ.
RJ o
Yore.
Yori.
Nasiya pa yung dapat.
Ikaw bibi o. Ali, wala yun.
Ang sa isulti.
Natalik.
Ato sa may babaw te. Bye-bye.
Uy, nasalat.
Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Uy, bugat baya na. Salamat kaayo.
Sige.
Salamat.
Okay.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Okay, my assistant is my brother. Obi.
Calculator? Ano lagi calculator? Ang sa isulti. Dito, gis likod.
May kuila na ka wala pa.
Ang kabani, day ko. Ano kong kabani? Ano yung kapos inanit ang bani?
Oh, kamag magsuon. Kasi mo para kang piton. Sige.
So ako lang kampura ako.
Sweetie. Sesote. Kinsa man to?
Reading si Roy John.
Unsa graduha din?
Man, grade 4. Grade 2. Nakin dito.
Ah, Kelvin. Ari dong. Unsa ka graduha dong?
Grade 1.
Grade 1?
Oh, ito.
Grade 2? Oh, katong iPad nga papel.
Wala na sa babaw ka na ha.
Oh, dara.
Ala, pareha pa si Jane. Ay, green.
Katong kinsa man to wala pa? Kari? Hamaro din, Redin. Aw, kini mo ni Redin.
Agyan mo inani mo to dili yang writing.
Na, draman.
Ang yang notebook. Oh,
Dili.
dili.
Wala sugay mong motor?
Sige. Eskwela na mo? Ah. Kuha. Kuha.
Ag ako ang papel. Thank you. Oh. Ag ako ang papel dahil bikay.
Hmm. Thank you.
Oy, nakapatay ko.
Dai. Tanawa. Open.
Tanawa dahil. Ang sana, maghatag. Pinaskuhan. Ang ate Bikay. Napasin.
Ah, sesote.
Salamat. Yawa.
Makatabang dili. Ah.
Parang tabang. Oo, kay grade 8 minute eh. Salamat. Salamat. Yawa.